Out there are planets so strange they break the rules of reality. Burning ice, glass storms, worlds of fire and diamond. These are the universe's strangest planets. Ready to have your mind blown? Stay tuned. First up, Kepler 70b, a planet that survived being swallowed by its own star. Here, a year lasts just 8 hours as it races terrifyingly close to its sun. Scientists think Kepler 70b was once a gas giant like Jupiter before its star expanded and engulfed it. Against all odds, it survived, emerging as a stripped, blazing core. Temperatures here soar past the melting point of rock, turning the surface into a sea of lava. This ghost planet is a cosmic survivor that still baffles astronomers. How did it survive a star? That remains one of space's great unsolved mysteries. Next, HD 189733b. From afar, it looks like a beautiful blue world, but up close, it's a nightmare. Its blue color comes from an atmosphere filled with silicate, glass, particles, whipped by winds over 5,000 miles per hour. This creates a sideways blizzard of glass shards. Step outside, and you'd be shredded instantly. Some beauties are best admired from afar. Now, Gliese 436b, the planet of burning ice. It orbits so close to its star, the surface is 800 degrees Fahrenheit. Water should vaporize, but here it doesn't. The secret? Pressure. Gravity crushes water into a form called ice-10, frozen solid, even while it's on fire. This burning ice sublimates, cloaking the planet in steam and giving it a comet-like tail. A true cosmic paradox. Our journey now takes us to GJ 504b, a world that seems plucked from a dream. It glows with a mesmerizing pink hue, like a cosmic cherry blossom. This isn't an artist's fantasy, it's the planet's true color. GJ 504b is a young gas giant, still radiating heat from its formation. This heat makes it glow, while methane in its atmosphere absorbs blue light, allowing this stunning magenta color to shine through. But its beauty hides a profound mystery. It orbits its star at a staggering distance, nearly 44 times farther than Jupiter orbits our sun. This vast, lonely orbit defies our leading theories of planet formation, making this beautiful anomaly a deep scientific puzzle, from the beautiful to the brutal. Meet WASP 12b, a hot Jupiter orbiting so close to its star it completes a year in just one Earth day. This proximity is its death sentence. The star's immense gravity creates tidal forces that stretch the world into a distinct egg shape. But it gets worse. The planet is so distorted that its atmosphere is being siphoned away. A massive stream of superheated gas is being stripped from the planet and funneled into the star. We are witnessing a planet being eaten alive. In a few million years, a mere blip in cosmic time, there might be nothing left. For decades, a planet with 2 suns was pure science fiction, famously imagined on Tatooine. Then, we discovered Kepler 16b, and science fiction became science fact. This is a real-life circumbinary planet, a world that orbits 2 stars. Imagine standing on a world with 2 suns casting shifting double shadows. While the visual is breathtaking, the reality is harsh. Kepler 16b is a cold gas giant the size of Saturn, not a habitable desert. But its existence is a landmark discovery. Now, we venture into the shadows to find TRES 2b, the darkest known exoplanet. While Earth reflects about 30% of sunlight, TRES 2b reflects less than 1%. It's a lump of coal floating in space, blacker than acrylic paint. Why is it so dark? Scientists theorize its scorching atmosphere contains chemicals that absorb light instead of scattering it. What's truly eerie is that it's not completely invisible. Its immense heat causes it to emit a faint, deep red glow, like a hot ember hiding in the dark, a ghost in the starfields. Finally, we arrive at 55 Cancri E, the diamond planet. This super-Earth orbits so close to its star its year is less than 18 hours, and its surface is hot enough to melt steel. But the real treasure lies within. Scientific models suggest this carbon-rich world is under such immense pressure that a third of its mass could be pure diamond. Imagine a planet with a crust of graphite and an interior of a planet-sized gem. But this geologist's dream is a miner's nightmare. The crushing gravity, toxic atmosphere, and blistering heat make it a treasure chest forever locked, a glittering jewel we can only observe from afar. Our journey into the unknown begins with Kepler 22b, a world that has captured the imagination of astronomers and dreamers alike. Discovered by the Kepler Space Telescope, it was one of the first exoplanets found within its star's habitable zone, that tantalizing Goldilocks region where conditions might be just right for liquid water to exist. It's about 2.4 times the size of Earth, classifying it as a super-Earth. But this label hides a profound mystery. Is it a rocky world with vast continents and deep oceans? Or could it be a water world, a planet completely enveloped in a single globe-spanning ocean hundreds of kilometers deep? We don't yet know its mass or atmospheric composition, crucial pieces of the puzzle for determining its true nature. This beautiful, mysterious world reminds us that finding a planet in the right place is only the first step. The unknown is why we keep looking, hoping one day to uncover its secrets. Next, we encounter a cosmic castaway, HD 106906b. This gas giant, 11 times the mass of Jupiter, drifts through the cold darkness on an impossibly wide and lonely orbit. It's located more than 730 times farther from its twin host stars than Earth is from the Sun. This immense distance challenges everything we think we know about how planets form. Did it form close to its stars, like planets in our own solar system, only to be violently ejected in a gravitational tug-of-war? Or did it form out there in the frigid expanse, collapsing from its own cloud of gas and dust like a failed star? This lonely wanderer exists in a grey area between planet and rogue, a testament to the chaotic and unpredictable nature of celestial mechanics. It's a poetic reminder that not every world has a stable home. Some are forever untethered, drifting beyond the warmth of their sun. Now prepare for one of the most extreme environments imaginable. This is the system of PSRB 1257+12, and it's home to the first exoplanets ever discovered. These worlds don't orbit a star like our Sun. They orbit a pulsar, the super-dense, rapidly spinning corpse of a massive star that died in a supernova explosion. This pulsar, named Lich, spins 161 times per second, sweeping deadly beams of radiation across its planets with every rotation. How could any planet survive the supernova that created the pulsar? The answer is, they probably didn't. These are thought to be second-generation planets, formed from a disk of debris that fell back towards the pulsar after the explosion. They are zombie worlds, born from the ashes of a dead star, forever bathed in lethal radiation. Their existence proves that planets can form in the most hellish and unlikely of circumstances, a true survivor in the harshest neighborhood in the galaxy. From potential water worlds to lonely wanderers, from zombie planets born of stellar death to worlds of darkness and diamond. These cosmic marvels are more than just data points. They are proof that the universe is stranger, more varied, and more incredible than we have ever dared to imagine. These are just a handful of the thousands of worlds we've found. What other impossible planets are waiting for us out there in the dark? Which of these blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more journeys into the cosmos.